Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you stop the beeping on a fire alarm? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you stop the beeping on a fire alarm. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how do you stop the beeping on a fire alarm. Take out its battery, then press the test button holding it down for 15 seconds. An alarm will sound for a short time, then the alarm will silence. Install the battery in the smoke detector, reconnect the power cable and mount the smoke detector back on its mounting bracket. Turn the breaker on. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.